Want to capture an entire web page, chat, or document on your iPhone 17 Pro? Here's how to take scrolling screenshots in seconds. First, we have to go Want to capture an entire page, chat, or document on your iPhone 17 Pro? Here's how to take scrolling screenshots in seconds. First, we have to go to the web page that we have to screenshot or you want to take a screenshot. And then press the side button and then volume up to take regular screenshot. Tap the preview thumbnail in the bottom left corner before it disappears. Or in this case, it automatically appears on our screen. And at the top, tap full page. Use the slider on the right to scroll through the entire pages. Tap done. And then you can save it as photo or you can save it as PDF that will be saved into files. And that's it. No more multiple screenshots. Now you can capture everything in one scroll. Follow for more iPhone tips.